Guys, so I'm currently in the store looking for new blades because, as you guys know in the last video, these ones came with a missing blade. So now I'm having to look at my options here and see if they actually have, like, I can either choose between getting the same one and have the same thing happen, which I might end up doing that anyway because I don't really have many options at the store, or really in general. Like, these right here are my options, just these, but the ones I need are right here. This one right here, the A933S. Those are the only ones that are gonna fit my car. So really I'm stuck because should I get them or should I not get them? Because now that I know, I thought this one was gonna have two in it. And I'm assuming someone either stole one or they took one or it actually came with a missing part. Honestly, I wouldn't put it past any of those options. I don't know, we'll see. Well, first of all, I'm gonna get my freaking refund. I'll be right back. Hello. I bought this like 2 days ago and it has a missing piece.
Okay, you have to go over there.
To her? Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches.
It just has a missing blade. I didn't know if it came like that or if it actually has a missing piece.
Yeah, normally it means two.
Two, right?
Two pieces.
That's what I thought.
Mhm.
Okay. Alright guys, that was dope. She gave me a refund pretty much, but she gave me it in the form of like the store card. So I can like in-store credit pretty much. But I'm just gonna get the same thing, honestly. I'm not even gonna waste my time. Hopefully this thing has two in it. And I feel bad because low-key, my anxiety is like, you should check to see if there's two in here, but then I also don't want to open this because I didn't buy the product yet, so. But it's like, better than safe than sorry, right? I'm not gonna open it. All right, guys, I have secured the blades. The process of it was actually pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be hard for some reason. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be hard, but anyways, I got the blades. Now let's go finally install the blades. See, like now it's like starting to drizzle. You guys can't really see it on this white wall, but like these blades do not wipe. It's kind of like when you spray like too much Windex on like a mirror or a window and it leaves that weird smear instead of like a clean streak. That's kind of sort of what it looks like. And they just don't wipe well at all. So I pulled into a spot that had way more light. That you guys could see me like a lot better. So let's go ahead and replace my wipers. So take this out of the box. And yes, I'm getting this on video because I have a feeling this doesn't have the right tool pieces in it. Oh wow, this one actually had a plastic, and the other one did not have this. There's also no pieces with this one, so I think someone definitely did tamper with the last one. They probably stole the blade or something, but anyways, we got two blades. That's what I need. One and two. And if you're wondering, no, I'm not gonna leave the trash here. I will discard whatever the trash can. I don't trust this thing moving like that. Last time it fell, and I got a cracked screen. So I'll pick it up after I'm done putting this in the car, the trash in the car. All right, guys, on instructions, it says to remove the old blade. So I'll lift this up like this. And I don't really know how to remove these old Bosch blades. So the guy in the video, he pulled this and like wiggled it to get it loose. Because I'm just, oops, I'll get that in a sec. I needed it for the instructions. Anyways, so this will become like the new thing. As you guys can tell, look at the difference in that. You can just tell that this one is definitely an older one, the one on the right. So, okay, I'm trying to do this with one hand. I would put up the gimbal, but last time it fell and now I have a cracked screen. So, I want to do that. But... all right, so now I'm just gonna prop you guys up. All right, I'm just gonna prop you guys up right there. So the guy in the video just wiggled it, really. Oh, well, there you go. That was easy. And then, so this middle piece right here is gonna open up. So once you finally pull it up, it'll just come out just like that. So that piece in the middle kind of just secures it like this. So that's what the blade looks like by itself. It's like a little, not a hook, but just that pretty much. And so once you pull it like this, it opens where it used to be. And then once you pull it back, it locks into place. So that's pretty cool, actually. That's a really easy way of replacing rubber blades. This one is old, dude. This one's from like 1930 or something. It even has rust on it. I should have been replaced these a long time ago. Anyway, let's get our new ones right here. So with the new one, our new one now, we're gonna do the exact same thing, just in reverse, really. So we're gonna pull it up. Hands are wet. Just like that. Pull it up like that. Pulling it up going that way. Like straight up, and then just put it right there. Just like that. And then slide it back. And then boom. Make sure it's in place. Last thing you want to do is be on the road and this thing freaking flies backward. It just flies, or this thing flies up and hits an entirely car, hits somebody's grandma and they lip or something, you know? So make sure this thing is securely fastened before you actually drive off. Because practice makes perfect and safety makes perfect as well. So this is one blade down. One more blade to go. Pull it. It's gonna seem stuck at the moment. It's gonna seem stuck because it's, you know, you have like gunk and mud and stuff on there. But I promise you it's not. You just slide it out like this. And boom, it's done, pretty much. Toss this one to the side. And then the other one. Also, make sure you leave these up and make sure they're secure, because once this thing comes off and this thing comes slamming back down, you will crack your windshield. So make sure those are up and not just lingering or lurking in the air. So you guys can see, just yank it up like this. And then you place it right here in the middle. Make sure it's in there. And then slide it back. This one's not going backwards. Oh, there we go. Make sure it's in there. Make sure it's securely fastened in there. Like I said, last thing you want is for it to fly up and hit somebody. And that is pretty much it. Now I have new blades. And that is amazing. See? And the best part is that it only took like 10 minutes. So that's good. So yeah, that's pretty much done. I have new blades. New blades are on the car. And so now we have two blades. 2 worn down blades that can go in the garbage can. Yeah, these are not good. So I'm gonna put these in the box. So the box like this. And put that in there. Not forget this plastic piece. That would be catastrophic. There you guys have it. The blades are replaced. Car looks amazing. So yay me for actually figuring it out, because there are thousands of videos on how to change it, but there's not enough videos on how to change blades for a B7 or an Audi A4 1.8T. So I'm glad I can contribute to that.